This recording is an optional one if you're feeling stuck on the practice, just meant to show you how the practice should go. The even ones here, 2 through 8 in the packet. So for number 2, let's start. You just put in the two equations exactly like they look. What makes these tricky is how you type them. When you want a fraction, I, on my keyboard, just use the backslash key, but you can also, on your calculator in Desmos, use your divide key there. It's going to work just as well. So your divide key will give you a fraction, and you can then put in the parts of the fraction. Or like I said, you can just press your backslash. Do make sure that you put your y at the end of the equation and not underneath. Otherwise, you're going to get curvy things that we don't want. Okay, and now we are just looking for where these two cross each other, and it's going to be right there. So my solution for the first one is the ordered pair 9, -6. Now, I do want you to get in the habit of checking these, but this does check out. So if you put the -6 in for the y and the 6 in for the x, simplify it out, you'll get 0, and it'll be a true equation down below as well. On to number 4. I'm going to clear out those so we can put in the new ones. 3y minus 15 equals -4x. -8x minus 6y minus 42 equals 0. Oh, okay, let's see what we got. All right, those look, these look parallel to me. And remember, if they're parallel, if those lines don't cross each other, that just means there's no solution. So this particular system of equations does not have a solution. That happens sometimes. Next up, let's keep going. On to number 6. My two equations this time, x equals -4. So that's going to be just a straight vertical line through x equals -4. And for the second one, okay, and they cross each other right there. So at -4, 4, there's my solution. That's the ordered pair that makes both of these equations true at once. And now on to number 8. Let's see what we got. So clear out the old, in comes the new. Y plus 1/5 x. Again, for the fraction, I'm just using the backslash key. And then down below, and those cross at 5, 7. So your ordered pair, 5, 7. Very important that when you're writing your ordered pair, you put it in parentheses, comma in between, and make sure you don't accidentally mix up your numbers. All right, check your answers on the back as you go, and as you have questions, ask a classmate or a teacher.